I'm blanking, unpacking the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase that native English speakers use quite often. I'm blanking on it. This phrase might seem simple, but it packs a lot of meaning, especially in casual conversations. Our goal today is to help you understand what it means, how to use it, and to make sure you're comfortable incorporating it into your English conversations. Let's get started. The phrase, I'm blanking on it, is used when someone temporarily cannot remember something or forgets something they usually know. Imagine your mind as a whiteboard, and suddenly, it's wiped clean of the information you need at that moment. That's the feeling this phrase describes. It's often used in informal settings and can refer to forgetting names, facts, words, or even why you walked into a room. To get a better grasp, let's look at some examples. Forgetting a name. I've met him several times before, but I'm blanking on his name right now. Forgetting a word. What's the word for when you really want to travel? I'm totally blanking on it. Forgetting a task. I came into the kitchen for something, but I'm blanking on what it was. These examples show how versatile the phrase is and how it can be used in various contexts to express momentary forgetfulness. Understanding and using phrases like, I'm blanking on it, can make your English sound more natural and fluent. It's a polite way to acknowledge a lapse in memory without causing too much disruption in the conversation. Plus, it can serve as a filler while you try to recall the forgotten information, keeping the dialogue flowing smoothly. Here are a few tips to help you remember this phrase. Associate it with a visual. Imagine a blank whiteboard every time you use or hear it. Practice. Try using it in your daily life whenever you forget something. Listen for it. Pay attention to native speakers in movies, shows, or conversations. Hearing it in context will help cement it in your memory. And that's a wrap on, I'm blanking on it. We hope this video has cleared up any confusion about what the phrase means and how you can use it. Remember, forgetting words or facts happens to everyone, and phrases like this are a great way to navigate those moments smoothly in English. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to practice. See you in our next video, where we'll explore more interesting aspects of the English language.